Exercise 5.2. The formula to find the nth term. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. This formula we have to deal with exercise 5.2. Let us start. 2 marks question could be asked. First term is given, common difference is given, n is given, an we have to find out. So first from the table we write down a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, an is to be found. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. A8 is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 plus 21 gives you 28. फर्स्ट वन एकदम क्लियर हो गया सबको. चलो सेकेंड वन भी हम लिख लेंगे पहले. a इज इक्वल टू माइनस 18, n इज इक्वल टू 10, an is equal to 8n which is 0, and we have to find d. an is equal to a plus n minus 1d, 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1d, 18 is equal to 9d, so d is equal to 2. Third, d is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18, an is equal to a18 is equal to minus 5, and we have to find out a. The formula remains the same for all. You can see slowly we can put the values and do the solution. Okay, so now we go to question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Very important. 30th term of AP is 10, 7, 4 is dash. So we have to find out what is the answer of the 30th term of AP. Now you can see it was asked in March 22. Okay, very important. Pay attention. First I will write down the series 10, 7, 4. Okay, from the series we write down A is equal to 10, D will be 7 minus 10, that is minus 3, N is equal to 30. An is equal to A plus N minus 1D. Put the values, you get the answer minus 77. So the correct option is C, minus 77. Now question number 2. For the given AP, first write down the series. From the series we write down A is equal to minus 3. D will be minus half minus minus 3. Minus minus plus becomes, and you get 2 and half or 5 upon 2, n is equal to 11. Put the values and the correct option is 22. Now we go to question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing term. So we have to find out the missing term. First one, A1 is there. A2 we have to find out. A3 is there. Okay. Chalo. First term A is equal to 2. Third term A plus 2D. Third term A plus 2D. Okay. A3 will be A plus 2D. अगर A5 है तो A plus 4D. आया समझ में? Okay. A plus 2D is how much? 26. Okay. Now I will put A is equal to 2 here. 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. 2D will be 24. So D will be 12. Okay. Second term A plus D. 2 plus 12, that is 14. बहुत easy है. Now second one में क्या find करना है हमें? First term, second term is given और third term. चलो. Second term A plus D is 13. Fourth term है A plus 3D is equal to 3. Give number 1 and 2. Now we'll be solving 1 and 2. So we get D is equal to minus 5. A is equal to 18. अब जैसे मैंने इसको फर्स्ट माइनस कर दिया तो व्हाट आई विल गेट, टेल मी नाउ. Minus 2D is equal to 10. So D will be minus 5. First term A is 18. Third term A plus 2D. 18 plus 2 into minus 5 gives you 8. Alternate method is also shown. Accordingly we have to find out. Now we are going to the third one. 5 first term, second term and third term. चलो First term is given. Fourth term a plus 3d. And we solve and we get the answer 6.5 and 8. See the fourth one also. First term a is equal to minus 4. Sixth term a plus 5d is equal to 6. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get a is equal to minus 4, d is equal to 2. Put the values and you get the missing terms. Okay. Now we start with question number 4. 2 to 3 marks. Which term of AP 3, 8, 18, 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Suppose the nth term of AP is 78. Okay. Pay attention. A is equal to 3. D will be 8 minus 3, that is 5. AN will be 78. And N we have to find out. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. Put the values. You get the answer. N is equal to 16. So 16 term of AP is 78. Clear? Now we are going to the question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following. First we write down AP. चलो उसमें से देख के बताओ मुझे. A is equal to 7. D will be 13 minus 7. Okay, 6. Last term L is how much? 205. Now let us consider that the last term is the nth term. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. 205 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into 6. 198 is equal to 6 into N minus 1. N is equal to 34. So how many terms are there? There are 34 terms. A 18. D will be 15 integer 1 upon 2 minus 18. We get minus 5 upon 2. Last term minus 47. It is same like the previous one. And you get the answer. N is 27. Check whether minus 150 is the term of AP. So let the nth term be minus 150. A is equal to 11. D will be 8 minus 11 minus 3. AN is minus 150, sorry. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. 150 is equal to 11 plus N minus 1 into minus 3. And you get the answer. N is equal to 164 upon 3. N must be positive and must be a whole number. So minus 150 cannot be the term of AP. Seventh one. For AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. A11 is equal to A plus 10D or A plus 10D is equal to 38. It is given, no? 11th term. A16 is A plus 15D. 16th term is 73. So A plus 15D is equal to 73. Solving 1 and 2, we get the answer. D is equal to 7. A is equal to minus 32. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. 31st टर्म हमें फाइंड करना है. तो A31 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस 30D. एक माइनस करके लिखना है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. माइनस 32 प्लस 30 इंटू 7 वी गेट 178. An AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12, last term is 106. Find the 29th term. इसी टाइप का है. चलो. A3 is 12 और A50 is 106. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. A3 will be A plus 2D. A50 will be A plus 49D. ये समझ में आ गया. Solving equation 1 and 2. D is equal to 2, A is equal to 8. And we get the answer. A29 will be A plus 28D. We get the answer is 64. Now, read the 9th one. First, we will read nicely. The third and the 9th term of AP are 4n minus 8. Which term of AP is 0? A3 is 4, A9 is 8. A3 will be A plus 2D is equal to 4, or A9 will be A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Put the values. We get the answer. N is equal to 5. So fifth term of AP is 0. Very important question. The 17th term of AP exceeds more its 10th term by 7. Find the CD. A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. A17 split as A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. 7D is equal to 7, so D is equal to 1. Okay. Which term of AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? First write down the AP, then find out A and D. AN is equal to A54 plus 132. Split AN, A plus N minus 1D is equal to A plus 53D plus 132. 3 plus N minus 1D is 12. 3 plus 53 into 12 plus 132. 12 into N minus 1 is equal to 12 into 53 plus 11. N minus 1 is 64. So N will be 65. So 65th term of AP. Very important question. Please repeat 3-4 times. Two APs have same CD. The difference between their 100 term is 100. So what is the difference between the 1000 term? Okay. Let the first term of AP be A1 and A2. Common difference is D. Let A1 greater than A2. And the 100 term will be A1 plus 99D. 100 term of second AP will be A2 plus 99D. Difference between them is 100. तो minus करो. A1 minus A2 100 आया. ठीक है. Now 1000th term of AP will be A1 plus 999D. Difference. So we get 100. 13 भी बहुत important question है. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 3-digit, 2-digit नहीं है. So we start. 7 11s are 77, 7 12s are 84, 7 13 7s are 105. Then 112 add 7 add करते जाओ और last number क्या आएगा 994. Tables has to be in the tip of the tongue. Please calculations and all that. These numbers form a finite AP with A is equal to 105. D will be 112 minus 105. तो 7 difference आया. Last term होगा 994. Now L is equal to AN. 994 is equal to A plus N minus 1D. 994 is equal to 105 plus N minus 1 into 7, and we get the answer. There are 128 terms. Tick mark, definitely it is going to be asked. How many multiples of 4? When I say multiples, the table of 4 should be in front of your eyes. Lie between 10 and 250. 10 and 250. Okay? Chalo. 4 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, or last will be 248. A is 12. D is 16 minus 12. Last term L will be 248. If the last term is the nth term of AP, then L is equal to AN. Put the values, you get N is equal to 16, and you have to write down the answer. There are 60 multiples. For what value of N are the nth term of two APs be equal? Very important. For the first AP, A is 63, difference is 2. Nth term of AP is given 63 plus N minus 1 into D. So we get AN, capital AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. Small an is equal to capital AN. Equalize them, we get N is equal to 13. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. For AP, A3 is 16, A7 is A5 plus 12. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 6D is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. A plus 6D is equal to A plus 4D plus 12 gives 2D is equal to 12. So D is equal to 6. Substituting the value, we get the required AP 4, 10, 16, 22. Find the 20th term from the last term of AP. AP is 3, 8, 13, 253. A is 3 and D will be 8 minus 3, 5. Last term is 253. L is equal to AN. So L will be A plus N minus 1D and you put the value N is equal to 51. Now we have to find out 32. This part is very important. There are in all 51 terms in AP. 20th term from the last term will be 51 minus 20 plus 1, that is 32nd term. A32 will be A plus 31D and you get the answer 158. Question number 18. The sum of the 4th and the 8th terms of AP is 24 and sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Accordingly, we write down A4 plus A8 is 24. A plus 3D, A plus 7D. And then we get the answer minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. Problems 4 marks. Subba Rao started the work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000. First year 5,000, 200 each increment. Third year will be 5200 plus 200 gives you 5400. So the AP formed will be 5000, 5200, 5400. A is 5000, D will be 5200 minus 5000 gives you 200. AN will be 7000 and N to be find out. Put the value AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D and you get the answer 11. So in 11th year it will reach to 7000. Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of the year and then increased her weekly saving by ₹1.75. फर्स्ट वीक में ₹5, सेकेंड वीक में 5 में ऐड कर दो 1.75, थर्ड वीक में 6.75 प्लस 1.75 तो ₹8.50 and so on. So form the AP, find out A, D, then AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D and you get the answer 10. Okay, so without fail you have to practice each sum 2 times.